Before installing the bar tape, you'll need some insulation tape and a pair of scissors, as well as obviously the bar tape. Before starting, you need to first tape down the cable housing on the bar. And as this cable housing actually goes inside the bars here, it's not necessary to tape it there, but it will be necessary to tape it along the width of the bars to keep it in place, starting at the bottom and taping it round. And then another piece of tape can be placed where you'd like the bar tape to end. So normally the bar tape should end there, or it's a personal preference, but I'm going to move it over a little bit to over here, about there, like so. And exactly the same must be repeated on the other side. We'll do that quickly. We'll tape that down there. And then we'll just measure the same distance on each side. Using a ruler or some measuring device. In my case, I'll use these calipers. So the other bar tape will go, insulation tape rather will go here. Okay, now that the cable housing has been taped down and the end of the desired end of your bar tape has been defined, start taping. And when taping, it is important to tape going outwards. This is because when you ride, you put force on your hands, and by doing that you are forcing the tape outward. So you cannot roll the tape inward, it must be rolled outward, and the opposite for the other side. Starting to wrap the bar tape so that on this side, as your hands twist outwards, the tape will then obviously have to go that way around. So it'll start at the bottom. Remove the adhesive strip. Get it started. Keeping constant pressure on the tape. Move around the bar. The camera's not making it easy being there. Trying to keep a constant overlap of the tape. As we go. Going around the bend. And coming up to the defined end point. Like that. Come to the end of where your insulation tape indicates where you wanted to end your bar tape. You cut the bar tape at an angle so that it leaves a flat edge. You just hold that down, use your insulation tape. Starting at the bottom, I use a slight overlay, or overlap rather, and then going around at least twice. In fact, I'll go more than twice, and then ending at the bottom. Like so. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.